If you're looking for an affordable and stylish drop step for your truck or SUV, Westin has you covered with their new Outlaw Nerf drop step. Whether you've added more lift or just need a little help getting up, the Outlaw Nerf drop step is great. And their sleek look is a combination of durable texture black powder coat finish over an electrostatic base coat. And this ensures a finish that not only looks great, but is durable and corrosion resistant. But there is way more to these steps than just eye appeal. They are stout. Made from a mandrel bent 1.5-inch tube and welded to a 2-inch square cab plate, these steps are built to handle the job. The 4-inch drop is also great for getting in and out of the cab, and the skid plate has great traction. They even die stamp slots for scraping mud, dirt, and other nasty nuisances off your feet and keep your cab a lot cleaner. These new steps from Westin are amazing. If you're looking to purchase the Outlaw Nerf drop step from Westin or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.